Hi folks, welcome back to the kitchen. In this very short video, I'm going to be putting together a charcuterie board. It consists of cheese, meat, vegetable and nuts, and it's all for under £25. I'm using shop-bought charcuterie with the exception of my venison salami. And if you're interested in making your own charcuterie, I'll leave a link in the description to my video for that venison salami. It's absolutely delicious and it's not that difficult to make. So, as I said, it's all shop-bought charcuterie. Try saying that after a few pints. And you can do this for under £25. I think it's great value. It looks absolutely stunning. And if you're trying to impress some guests, this is the way to go. Anyway, hope you like the video. If you do, give us a big thumbs up, click that bell icon and subscribe to the channel so you get notified of any future content. In the meantime, let me show you how I put it together and I'll catch up with you at the end.
Right, first things first, I like to get all my structural elements nicely on the plate, and I've got this wonderful camembert here from the supermarket, £1.99, so that gives us our running total. I now have some wonderful Shropshire blue cheese. I'm using whole blocks of this cheese. Some mini pork pies, and these are Melton Mowbray pork pies. And, you know, I'm giving you the price for the whole packets here, and I'm not using all the packets. We've got some nice vintage cheddar going on the board. I love all these crumbly bits, and because it's difficult for people to cut, I like to pre-cut it. Now got some Spanish chorizo, and again, this was very, very keenly priced, 99 pence. So we've now got a running total of £9.65. Next thing to go up is some black olives. So you can see all the structural elements of this charcuterie board coming together now. The next thing to go on are some crackers. I like to put these at the front because as people take from the board, they can grab a few of these from the front, and they're quite accessible. Just arrange them in a nice little fan. Next thing, got these little mini salamis. Absolutely delicious these are. They do have a little bit of garlic in them, which I think makes them absolutely scrumptious. So got some salami here, and this is a garlic salami. Again, really well priced. Another really cost-effective piece of charcuterie. And some little antipasti here. This is a selection of peppers, tomatoes, red and green peppers in an olive oil dressing, and these are absolutely delicious. Pop them on your plate, really nice. So next thing to go up is some sun-dried tomatoes, and you can see here that's my olive bowl. I'm going to just transfer me olives across there. I don't know what got into me putting them in the wrong bowl in the first place. I mean, goodness me, what was I thinking? So we're going to get as many of these as we can fit into the little bowl. These are really nice. They give fantastic flavour, and their acidity offsets some of the fat content in both the cheese and the salami, so it's always nice to have some strong acidic flavours on the board. And I'm looking for a place to put these, so I'm just shuffling stuff around just to make it nice so that I've got all my elements at the back and it scales down nicely to the front. So next thing to go on the board is some Serrano ham, and I just arranged this nice and haphazardly on the board so anyone picking this can take it with their hand, pop it straight onto their plate, and it really does look absolutely delicious when you display it in this way. So, like I said in the intro, my venison salami, homemade. If you want to know how this is made, then I'll leave a link in the description, and that's a very involved video, start to finish. I'll show you the whole thing. Last thing to go on here is some mixed nuts, and these are cashews, almonds and pistachios. And they so look, I mean, the pistachios are in their shells, but rest assured I did take these out of their shells because I think, you know, no one wants to be picking shells out of their charcuterie. So I spent a couple of seconds just taking all those shells off. And there you have it, a wonderful charcuterie board, ideal for 6 people as a starter. That, you know, they're not going to polish this off, but you can have this for 4 people as a main course if you so desire. It is absolutely lovely. Hope you like that. I hope you give it a go. Please do let us know what you think in the comments. Look at that.
Anyway, have a go yourself. If you like it, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.